In today's news for you, time to talk taxes. Financial educator Pat Strubbe has 2 important steps we need to be sure you take before filing the 2012 tax returns. So Pat, getting right into this, you say be sure to take every credit, exemption, and deduction. Let's throw that up on the screen so our viewers can see it. What do our viewers need to do here with this one?
Yeah, Dawndy, it's really important to make sure you don't miss any one of these because tax rates are getting higher and you got to make sure you're taking every credit, anything that takes off of your taxes. So 2 specific ones I wanted to make sure I mentioned: child care credit for kids under 13, and then the America Opportunity Credit has to do with higher education, can be as much as $2,500 off your taxes.
So these are things that if people don't check these boxes, so to speak, they are losing out.
Absolutely.
Okay, good. Go to another one we have. Another must-do that we have deals with contributing to about 3 different types of investments for 2012.
Yes, you still have till April 15th to make contributions to these 3 types of accounts. Traditional IRA will help your taxes for 2012. The Roth IRA doesn't directly affect that, but it's a great investment opportunity. And what a lot of people don't realize is if you have a 529 college savings plan, if you make a contribution by April 15th, if it's a South Carolina sponsored plan, then that will, you actually get a South Carolina tax deduction for that.
If you make it by this April 15th.
That's right.
Even though this is in 2013, you still get that deduction for last year.
So you can make a savings for kids' higher education and then also save on your state taxes.
Excellent. Okay, well, I went online earlier to our Facebook pages and said, what are some of your questions? Here's the one we picked from Joni Jeffcoat. Her question is, she says, we refinanced our home in July 2012. We're using TurboTax and have entered information like points, interest paid, etc. for both the old and the new loans based on the reporting forms we received from the lenders. The question on the loan entry for the old loan says, did you pay off this loan in 2012? That's the question you see there on the tax form. Go to the next screen, and this is Joni's question. She says, well, we did, but it was by way of the refinance. So does refinancing entitle us to check that box? Does it?
Well, I went to my mortgage guru for this and my tax guru because it kind of falls into both.
Right.
And now the first thing, since I'm not a CPA, always consult your tax advisor.
Sure.
What I have been told is by refinancing, you have paid that loan off, that original one. So yes, you want to check off that you've paid that loan.
Joni? Check. All right. And check to you. Thank you for being here. We'll see you again next month.
Great.
And the segment will be on our Facebook pages as well as WISTV.com. Thank you, Pat.